यूं लगा कोयलें जब लगी कूकने, यूं लगा कोयलें जब लगी कूकने, जैसे छलनी किया हमको बंदूक ने, जैसे छलनी किया हमको बंदूक ने। भूख उठने लगी हंसते हंसते मेरी, भूख उठने लगी हंसते हंसते मेरी, आँख यूं दबदबाई मजा आ गया। तूने रश के कमर, तूने रश के कमर कह दिया जब मुझे, जिंदगी मुस्कुराई मजा आ गया। उस ये दीवानगी आशिकी में तेरी, खाक ऐसी उड़ाई मजा आ गया। ऐसे लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गया, ऐसे
Good evening. It is such an honor and privilege to stand with my sister, the chairwoman of Indian American Forum, running these events last 35 years now almost. Induji, congratulations to you and to your team. And you had added so many people in your team. But most importantly, it's a special day for you today. Not only just India Night, it's also your birthday. Happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy all the best of the best to you and to your team. So keeping the culture of India, sharing with the East and West. Again, thank you for your leadership. Thank you for your work for so many years. God bless you.
Yeah, thank you, Bobby ji, for those lovely words. Today, June 22nd, Indian American Night at Harry Chapin Lakeside Theatre in Eisenhower Park is going to be a big celebration, a big turnout. We have more than 110 children participating, a spectacular show of Indian classical music and folk dances, and of course the orchestra. And we want to thank our chairman of the Human Rights Commission, Dr. Bobby Kumar Kaloti, our county executive, Honorable Bruce Blackman, and the Parks Commissioner and their whole staff for helping us in putting this program together. Year after year, we are doing this program, and we are very thankful to the county executive for all his leadership, all his vision for what he has done for our community. And of course, I'm joined here with our Human Rights Commissioner, Viola. We want to congratulate you for all the good work that you are doing. And we are looking forward for a great celebration. We want to congratulate all our honorees, and we want to thank all the participants in the schools who are participating today and all our volunteers. And we have our honoree, Mr. Ravinder Kumar ji. Would you like to say a few words?
Ravinder Kumar from Vice President of India Association of Long Island, and I'm here tonight to celebrate the international festival here in Eisenhower Park. Thank you.
This is Dr. Poon Lori, one of the honorees on June 22nd, 2025 at Indian American Night under the leadership of Nassau County and Indian American Forum. It was hot, but there were hundreds of members enjoying the Indian cultural activities, dance and music at the famous Eisenhower Park in Nassau County. Great old tradition and culture make India great. With best wishes to Mrs. Sindhu Jaiswal, Chairman, and the Indian American Forum. Bye.
Hello, my name is Vimal Goyal. I'm here for Indian American Night. This is one night that Nassau County Executive Bruce Blakeman allows us to use this theater. It's a wonderful place in Eisenhower Park, and this is a privilege for Indians to be here and celebrate an Indian night. And we all get together here and celebrate our culture, music, and festival, and children who perform, and our own culture, our own people, in our language or English language or whatever works for everyone. And this is, I'm proud to be here, and we're honored to be given the opportunity to be in this theater once a year by our own county executive, Bruce Blakeman. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, my name is Violeta Dusha. I'm a friend of the Indian community, and today is another year we are celebrating Indian American Nights in Eisenhower Park. And what we do every year at the beginning of summer, we're celebrating Indian culture. Everyone is welcomed in our event. It's beautiful weather. We're all here to enjoy. We will have our county executive, Bruce Blakeman, to start our event. And please, everyone who can come, please come. We're going to be here for most of the night tonight. We're going to have a beautiful program, a lot of kids dancing, musicians singing, and just enjoying the time. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chaudhry Akram. I'm a senior advisor to Nassau County Executive Bruce Blakeman. Today we have Indian Nights in Eisenhower Park, and it's a proud moment, and I like to welcome South Asian community to come and join celebrations. And I like to thank you, Induji and Mr. Bobby Kulati, who make this event. And I hope people will enjoy. And County Executive is coming shortly. Thank you so much. And is enjoy the International Indian Night. Thank you. Yes, today we are in Eisenhower Park. My name is Chaudhry Akram. I'm the chairman of South Asian Americans office, and my executive director, Mr. Aun Naqvi, and Human Rights Commission chairman, Mr. Bobby Kulati is here. It's such a great night, Indian night, and people are coming. Soon as the sunset is going to be down, people will come. And our council member of Asian American Affairs, Geeta Shukla ji is here. And I like to welcome everyone from the South Asian communities. Thank you.
Yes, hi. My name is Geeta Shukla. I'm a council member for the Asian community. And I'm so happy Mr. Akram Chaudhry ji is here for this wonderful evening to celebrate with all of us. The Human Rights Commissioner Bobby Kumar Kaloti is here as well. And Viola is here. It's a wonderful evening. There will be a lot of entertainment, a lot of young children participating, celebrating this wonderful evening. And thank you so much for Induji and Beena ji to put together this event. And I'm so happy to be part of this event.
Ji, my name is Aun Naqvi. I'm Executive Director, Office of Asian American Affairs, and I'm here today at Indian International Night in Eisenhower Park. My congratulations to all the management and the Indian community for organizing this amazing night, and special congratulations to Dr. Bobby Kulati, who's the Chairman, Human Rights Commission, Nassau County, for organizing such a beautiful night, and all our best wishes for the Indian residents of Nassau County. Enjoy the day.
Hello, I'm Legislator Rose Walker. We're here in beautiful Eisenhower Park to celebrate India Night. It's going to be a wonderful night, music, some honors. People are being honored tonight. Actually, I'm here with one of the honorees right now, Sunita, and very excited to present her with her citation. There are others too, but such a wonderful night, and I hope more crowds come and we enjoy the evening together. And I'm going to hand this over to Sunita.
Good evening. My name is Sunita Manjakar, and I am one of the honorees at the Indian American Night here in Eisenhower Park. I am really humbled to receiving this honor from Legislator Rose Walker, who I've known for many years, and we've done a lot of good work in not only in Hicksville but across Nassau County, where we work with the underprivileged youth in providing them with employment. So it's a great honor to be here and to be recognized by my community.
Hi, my name's Hanika Parvatala. I'm singing the national anthem tonight, and I'm really excited to be here today and watch everyone being honored, and yeah.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी।
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Indian American Night in beautiful Eisenhower Park. I'm Legislator Rose Walker. I represent the 17th Legislative District, which presently is Hicksville, Bethpage, Jericho, and a little piece of Syosset. I'm so glad to see everyone who's here, and the young people dressed so beautifully. I'm sure they're ready to entertain us later. So to have a moment of silence for our armed forces protecting us around the world, and for those who perished in the recent plane crash in India. So a moment of silence, please. Thank you, and please remain standing as Hanika sings the national anthem.
When you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, through the perilous night, o'er the ramparts we walked, were so gallantly strewn, and rockets echoed, the bombs bursting in, gave proof through the night that a flag was still there. Oh, say us that its star-spangled banner yet waved o'er the land of the free. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्जल जलधि तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय।
And I just want to say on behalf of our county executive, Bruce Wakeman, who is also at another event tonight, so we
We drew straws, and I was the lucky one who got to be here. So I thank you so much for having me here tonight. I would like to take a moment to congratulate tonight's honorees, who are, and I'm going to let Hindu read these.
Mr. Vinod Goyal, a very big community supporter, a very good singer and a performer, and we want to thank you for all your continued support to our community. Congratulations, Mr. Vinod Goyal. He's a member of India Association of Long Island.
Guys, should you get together and just take a picture? Or you want to do them all? Whatever you guys want to do. Everybody look at the top. Don't worry about it.
Of Social Services Department, a very active member of our community, and she is doing a wonderful job with the county and for our community in Long Island. She also has a beautiful daughter who has won many awards, and Sunita herself is fully talented. And Sunita, we want to congratulate you and thank you for all the good work that you have done.
Sunita G!
Let's welcome Mr. Shanti Kumar Shivapakasa. Shanti Kumar Dashita. Shanti Kumar is a very well-known businessman and he is an entrepreneur. He is helping our community tremendously with the youth programs, with the children's programs, and continuously he supports us. I want to start Mr. Kasam. He is the chairperson of Tamil Nadu Foundation, New York chapter. Okay, moving on with the honorees. Let's welcome Dr. Narendra Loda. Dr. Loda is a very well-known physician from Brooklyn, pulmonologist, and a member of the Association of Indians in America, member of India Association of Long Island, helping our community tremendously, very active in Ghana and all the community organizations. Congratulations, Dr. Loda. Okay, we are also joined with a very young volunteer here today, Riya Shah. Is Riya here? She is another upcoming young achiever who is doing tremendous work for our youth leaders and young groups here in Long Island. Congratulations, Riya. Let's welcome Mr. Ravindra Kumar. Ravindra Kumar is a member, Vice President of India Association of Long Island, and he never says no. Any work that we have to do, we call Ravindraji. A lot of people call him Hanumanji, till he comes for the rescue. Ravindraji, we want to thank you for all the work that you do, and congratulations on today's award. Congratulations, Ravindraji. Dr. Purna Chandra Prasad Agluri. Dr. Agluri represents TLCA. He has been active and a supporter and helping the whole TLCA community for more than 30 years. They have recently purchased a property it's called the Mangalam Bhavan right here in Levittown. And we want to congratulate him and his whole team, including the chairman of TLCA, Rajiv Kancham, Kishore Kancham, former Freeport Superintendent, thank them for all the work that they have done for our community. Congratulations, Dr. Atluri. Okay, is Mr. Bindra here? We don't see Mr. Bindra. Okay. Moving on with our honorees, let's welcome Dr. Dinesh Jaiswal. Dr. Jaiswal is a very well-known retired pharmacist, and also he is on the board of trustees of Vedic Heritage of Long Island. He is a constant big supporter from Vedic Heritage for all his community services, and he goes all over the country invited as a speaker and pharmacy. We want to congratulate Dr. Jaiswal for all his achievements and what he has done for the Hanuman Mandir Vedic Heritage of Long Island. Congratulations. We are waiting for one more honoree who is not here. But as they come along before we start the program. So, as you know that our Honorable County Executive could not come today. So, but we are going to be recognizing some members of our community today. And before we start recognizing them, I want to invite my brother, the Chairman of the Human Rights Commissioner, Dr. Bobby Kumar Kaloti, who need an introduction. All the programs that we are doing are under his leadership, under his guidance. We have been a team together for more than 30 years, and we are not afraid of telling each other what's right or wrong, but we are together one. And he has been constantly working very hard for the county and for our people in our community. Dr. Bobby Kumar Kaloti also does a lot of work overseas under Friends for Good Health, where he's providing free medical camps and medical services. Let's welcome Dr. Bobby Kumar Kaloti.
You know it doesn't have to clap. Let's see everybody clap. Come on. Come on, put your hands together.
So we want to give a big welcome to our chairman, Dr. Bobby Kumar Kaloti.
I only accept from the road.
We're going to keep it short because you are here to enjoy the show. First of all, congratulations to each honoree. Well done. God bless. Keep the good work. Continue going. Because of your guys' work, I am successful. And do not take this so lightly. I know when they were talking about Sunita, I'm going to single her out. And the first people know how hard work she does, how helpful she is. Thank you. Thank you. And I know my friend, former superintendent, once you're a superintendent forever. Sir, thank you what you did in for Freeport, making all of us look good. You and Raji always have my respect. So now, I said it's going to be short. Indu G. Congratulations for all this many years, almost 40, right? To put up with me, and when you decided to become the chairwoman of IAF, Indian American Foundation, more, there you go. I want to see if she knows. Rose, you are my sister, you are my friend, it's not a what we say public, but we know as a family. There is no one as good friend, as family, as an honest public servant, not only just in the legislature, as a community leader, backbone of not only Hicksville, but Nassau County. Thank you for all this many years of your service and continue being a part of the community. Thank you, and thank you. So, I accept this. There is somebody. Would you be kind enough if you can join me? Hindu just happened to be. Chaudhary sir, can you join me? Akram Chaudhary is the chair of the Asian Affairs Council and a friend of the community, always participating, sharing the culture and betterment of our communities. So, everybody if they can join, besides the congratulations. Where is the star? You don't know the candidate. Can you please join me to sing Happy Birthday to Indu Jaiswal? Can you please join me? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Indu. Happy birthday to you. This is the only time I can be nice to you. Chaudhary sir, would you like to say a few words? Vimalji? No. And Balata, can you please come in the front? I want to say congratulations to both of you to be the newly appointed Human Rights Commissioner of Nassau County. You guys could not be appointed if Rose did not have voted for you. I want you to know that. Don't give me the credit. Credit goes to Rose Baker and all the legislatures, but top of the list to our county executive for doing a great job. I am proud to call him my brother. I am proud to call him he's our county executive. What a leader Bruce Blakeman is. The best leader we can ever have. Thank God he is on the head of the Nassau County as a county executive. Then you have Anne Darnley, our DA, Maureen O'Connor, our clerk, and of course Elaine Phillip, the sisters, comptroller. Every one of these leaders deserve a hand of applause and they need continued support so they can serve our community better. Thank you, congratulations, and congratulations to you guys too. Where is Chaudhary? Would you like to say a few words? Very short, then we are out.
Hello, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum. Honorable guest, our great legislator, Rose Baker, and Chairman Human Rights Commission, Bobby Gulati ji. Thank you very much. It is an honor. I'm here to speak to your word. It's a great event, and we need this kind of event to promote our culture in Nassau County. So, Bobby ji, thank you very much, being a long-time community leader, and you always hosting beautiful events. And I like to congratulate to all of you to please show your power and bring your community, and we all get together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary. Now is going to your new commissioner. Yes, because your mom is not here, so it must be you. Violet Dusha, congratulations. And Rose, we have one more for the new commissioner, and the reason it is, he stole my green scarf. Walking in the parade with me, he literally stole out of my neck. He never given me back my scarf. I don't know if they were the same price. Vimalji, congratulations. You getting Vimal? What are you doing? Congratulations, Vimalji. But that doesn't mean you're going to give me back the other one. Congratulations all the honorees. Congratulations into you and your team. Please, let's take one quick picture, okay? Thank you.
We're going to take a big photo.
Yeah.
It's good to see that despite it's a super hot day, but everybody is here with all their enthusiasm and you know, that sense of participation. It is super important for all of us for the success of any of the events. And you know, we are very blessed that we are in this great country and this great county, I would say, where our community, our diversity is very well acknowledged and supported by the county officials and everybody else over here. So good to see you. I know it's going to be a very entertaining, very wonderful evening. It's super hot. Take care of yourself. Keep yourself hydrated. I know I went to a lot of events, but everybody is kind of concerned a little heat waves and all that. And let's hope and pray that that the weather will be even better in another few hours or so. And this is the beauty, our togetherness, this social interaction, and the bond strengthening is very important, and that's why the events like this is very, very important. Induji, happy birthday to you, and thank you so much for having me. Bobby ji, everybody, thank you so much, and thank you all for joining. Have a very good, wonderful evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Ragini ji. We want to welcome Prithpal Vindra from APS, a very well-known businessman and supporter of our community. Congratulations, Mr. Bindra.
Can we request Bina Sabapati? We are going to, all our children are waiting to perform.
Thanks to all our volunteers who have helped us behind the stage. Bina Sabapati, Bhavani Srinivasan, Jyoti Gupta, Brashita Gupta, Bina Kotari, all the other names, Anji Sharma, Sanji Sharma, as they're coming along, we'll be recognizing them. Ina, thank you so much.
Thank you, Hindu, thank you. We are going to start with the cultural program now. The first item is from Hamsini Kumble student. Dance school name is Hamsasya School of Dance. Guru Hamsini Kumble is the artistic director of Hamsasya School of Dance. Her students have performed and won many accolades in tri-state area. Back to back, two items. So all the performers, I'm going to say that. The next item is Ram Nama by Eva Tanubuntla and Ina Parvatala, and Niti Arora, Shilpika Punna and Vidisha Punna. Guys, get ready.
Hey, just keep it till end, please.
Vighneswaro,
Hamsini Kumle Hamsasya called Ramanama.
परफॉर्मेंस। एक बार जोर से तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए। These little girls are choreographed by Shilpa Mithaiwala, Pooja Shah and Yash Devjani. And performance are, please keep coming. Yash, Ansh, Dhruv, Arjun, Niresh and Nay. Give them a big round of applause. Once again, big round of applause. Thank you. Our next item is from Satya Pradeep. Students from Satya Pradeep's Nritya Sagaram Dance Academy will be performing Pushpanjali. Satya Pradeep has been teaching Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi for more than 33 years here in Long Island. Performers for Pushpanjali are Dakshina Nair and Pranavi Venuganti. So please welcome them. Give them a big round of applause. Satya Pradeep. Be ready. Okay, next one is medley. We are going to rock with the songs. Jyoti Gupta and her group and also the professional singers are going to entertain you for the next 10 minutes. Now it is from Satya Pradeep. Medley ready? Yes, come on the stage then. Yes. Roy and his son, please come on the stage. Both father and son, they are going to entertain for the next 10 minutes with our own team, Jyoti Gupta and her team. Bhavani Srinivasan. Sushma ji, come on. Come on. That's why we are singing refugee song. Come on, Sushma ji, dancing song, everybody, come on. Thank you from JKJ. Thank you.
तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000। तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू Induji, happy birthday to you. Thank you, happy birthday. Okay, thank you. So we request them to come up and be acknowledged and say a few words. Dina ji is also helping us with Indian American Night. And Dina, you have, let them come up. Happy birthday to you, Hindu. This is a great day.
Congratulations to each and every honoree, and congratulations to all the students who are performing. And a huge round of applause for all the students as well as their parents and their family who came here, who brought them here. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's move on to the program now. Thank you, dance school. Satya ji, are you ready? Yes, please. Our next after Satya, it is Sadhna Paranji. Please get ready, Sadhna ji.
Tadhittam bhajam gandham, dhittam bhajam dhim dhim, dham bhajam dhim dhom, bhajam jam jam. Jam
Give them a big round of applause one more time. Did you enjoy the performance? Thank you. Our next performance is from Sadhna Paranji students. You all know who is Sadhna Paranji. She is always there for the community.
So Adigo Aladigo, Annamacharya Kirtana by students of Sadhanalaya. These students are Pranavi, Aradhya, Simhadri, Ashita, Nitya, Viranavi, Meera, Harita, Adya, Vaishnavi, Anita and Adya.
Thank you, Manali. We are also here with Gunesh Kaur. She has a stand right over there. She is from the Organ Donation Saves Lives. So if you want any information, please stop by her counter. Thank you so much. And we have another one doing the bone marrow drive. Thank you so much.
Children's Pride.
तुम्हें अपना बनाने का जुनून सर पे है, कब से है।
मुझे